Good morning, students. Today we discuss here law of the Mendel's. Okay, so Mendel give three law of dominance, law of segregation, and law of independent assortment. Okay, first two law of dominance and law of segregation are the monohybrid cross, and law of independent assortment is the dihybrid cross. Okay. So first we explain to you law of dominance. Okay. In law of dominance, when we cross between the two plants, when we cross between two plants taking one contrasting character, then the character which is appear in F1 generation called dominance, and this phenomena is known as the law of dominance. Okay. When we cross between the two plant taking one contrasting character, then the character which is appear in F1 generation is called the dominance, and this phenomena is known as the law of dominance. One thing is more here, the character which is not appear in F1 generation, the character which is not appear in F1 generation is called the recessive character. Okay. For example, here is a two plant, tall plant and dwarf plant, and their genotype is here capital T and small t. When we cross these plants to each other, then F1 generation only capital T small t means hybrid tall plants are obtained only. Okay. This is the law of the dominance. Now we come on the second law. Now, second law of the Mendel, law of segregation. Law of segregation means separation. Okay. When we cross between two plants taking one contrasting character, same definition, some changes in this definition. Okay. So observe here. When we cross between the two plants taking one contrasting character and these characters are not mixed together and separate in any one generation, this phenomena is known as the law of segregation. Okay. When we cross between two plants taking one contrasting character and these characters are not mixed together and separate in any one generation, okay, this phenomena is called the law of segregation. Now its example. Here is a tall plant, dwarf plant. Their genotype is capital T, small t. Okay. When we cross these plants to each other, then we got in F1 generation only hybrid tall plant. Okay. When with these hybrid tall plant make self cross, then we obtain in F2 generation 4 plant. In 4 plants, only 2 plant is a pure tall plant and 1 pure plant is a dwarf and two hybrid tall plant. Okay. So in this place we observe here that in a F1 generation only one character is appear, but in a F2 generation 3 types of character present here. One is pure tall plant, second is tall plant, tall hybrid plant, and third is here pure dwarf plant. Okay. So this place, these characters show here that characters are separate in any one generation. Okay. Now here phenotypic ratio is 3:1 because 3 tall plant, 1 tall plant, 2 tall plant, 3rd tall plant, and 4th is a dwarf. So 3:1. And genotypic ratio, only 1 is a pure tall plant and 2 hybrid plant, 1 is a dwarf plant. So this is called the genotype ratio. Okay. Law of independent assortment. In this law, when we cross, this is a dihybrid cross. When we cross between the two plants taking two contrasting character, then alleles of one contrasting character, not influence the other alleles of contrasting character. Okay. When we cross between the two plants taking two contrasting character, then alleles of one contrasting character not influence the other contrasting character. This phenomena is known as the law of dominance. Okay. Example of law independent assortment. This is the round yellow seed. This is the wrinkled green seed. Okay, when we cross these plants to each other, the F1 generation only round yellow seed is obtained. Capital letter represent the dominant character. So capital letter is here round or yellow. So round and yellow type of seed is produced in a F1 generation. When we self cross of these plant, this seed, then we obtain four types of gamete. Here, when we self cross, this type self cross are capital R, small y. Okay, then we obtain these four gametes. Okay, when we these four gamete write this way, okay, this and this way, then we obtain 16 characters. Okay, look this place, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Okay, capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. And capital R, small r, capital R, small y. Okay, so these are 16. For example, here, how we can identify the character here. So this is the capital letter both places. So round yellow seed. This is a round yellow seed. This is a also round yellow seed. Round yellow seed. Round yellow seed. Round, or this small letter represent the green color. So round green seed. Then here round yellow seed. Round green seed. Okay, round yellow seed. Round yellow seed. Round yellow seed. Okay, round yellow seed. Round yellow seed. Round green seed. Round yellow seed. Okay, these are the characteristics of the 16 of. Okay, phenotypic ratio is here 9:3:1, and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, 2:4:2, 2:1:2, 1:2, 141, 121, 242 and 121. Okay.